In this chapter, we will learn about HTML. The HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element, such as color, font, size, and more. For example, I am red, I am blue, I am big. HTML style attribute. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax. Background color. The CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. For example, set the background color for a page to powder blue. Text color. The CSS color property defines the text color for an HTML element. Example. Text size. The CSS font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. Text alignment. The CSS font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. Chapter summary. Use the style attribute for styling HTML elements. Use background color for background color. Use color for text colors. Use font family for text fonts. Use font size for text sizes. Use text align for text alignment.